The next recipe that I'm sharing with y'all today is a stuffed breakfast potato. And I have sprayed this with oil, and now I just sprinkled salt on it. And that just makes the best baked potato. And the recipe, again, is in my air fryer cookbook, and it tells you to bake these in the air fryer. But I'm electing today to cook them in my microwave because it's so much quicker that way. And I don't want to make y'all wait 45 minutes for this to bake. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave, and then we'll be moving on to the next step. I think you're gonna like this. So I really do hope that y'all are gonna like this next recipe. You know, I love anything with a potato that involves a potato. I'm just dicing up a little green onion to go on top of our finished product. All my knives are so sharp. Are so dull. They about as sharp as I am today. There we go. I think that's chopped good enough. So I sprayed our potatoes, and then I sprinkled them with salt, and I cooked them in the microwave. And so you have to let them cool a little bit, lest you burn yourself. So what I'm gonna do is cut a little bit of the potato out. And I've got my bacon in the air fryer. Let me see if it's ready. It could stand a little bit longer, y'all. Oh, there's my flipper dipper. Yeah, this bacon was so nice and thick, Teresa.
It doesn't crisp up as...
It doesn't want to crisp up as quick as like that thin bacon. So we'll just let that run for a few minutes.
That goes on top anyway.
Yeah. So you're going to have to wait for your potato to cool enough so that you can hold it in your hand. And I'm going to need a spoon. Because I'm gonna be taking out about 2/3 of this potato. So I can have a potato, but it's not gonna be a whole potato. But I am gonna get to have a little bit of it. But we've got some more things to put in this potato. They're gonna make it so good. And this is a 1-dish breakfast meal. So our breakfast is gonna come in the form of a real baked potato in place of those hash browns that we love so much. So see how many calories we're saving by scooping that meat out. All right, and this is how we're gonna put them together. We're gonna put a tablespoon or so, and I'm cooking rather small potatoes, y'all. Probably need a little bigger than what I'm cooking, but this is what I got. So here comes the breakfast part to it. I'm gonna put a little house seasoning in there. Not too much, because remember we've got the salt on the shell of the potato. So here we go. I could have stood a bigger potato. Oh no. I could have stood a bigger potato. Dadgummit. It'll still eat good. All right, so let's see if this egg, I could have used a smaller egg too, couldn't I? If I had one. Eddie and I have been talking about the chicken coop. And we figured out it's not gonna be a Four Seasons. Not this go around. It's gonna be Country Done Come to Town. Okay, I've got to figure out how to get that egg white. So, first thing is use a larger baking potato. All right, we finally got that bacon crispy.
Hey, Billy.
And so we'll put that on last time. Come here, you little potato. We're doing a diet. A diet potato breakfast. All right. That one fit in there a little bit better. So here we go. We are gonna cook that for about 5 minutes until the white is done, but the yellow is still running. Okay, these are done. Now, I'm funny about my eggs. I don't want any white, runny white. No, I can't eat that. So Michael could eat it almost just putting it in there. He could almost eat it like that. He really likes his very over light.
It's nice. It's like poached, having poached.
Yes. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna finish dressing them. I'm gonna put just a little bit more cheese in it because I didn't put much cheese in the bottom because I knew that I was gonna be in trouble with the size of the potato.
Yum.
How delicious does, oops, I wanted to prop it. How delicious does that look? So yummy.
Yeah.
And you know what? Now this is called a stuffed breakfast potato, but it would be perfectly wonderful at night. On a Sunday night, you know, when you don't want to cook a big meal. I mean, this is super, super, super simple and easy to make. And of course, you can stuff it with anything your little heart desires. So Happy New Year. So I'm gonna cut into it. And I just hope that there's no runny white. Or I'll have to eat something else. Oh. Now see, I cooked mine just perfect. For me, that's absolutely perfect. And you know what would be good on this, Eddie? A little hollandaise sauce.
I was just.
Is that what you were fixing to say?
Yep.
Yes, just drizzle a little hollandaise sauce over it. Would be so good. Uh-oh, it's hot. I thought it had maybe cooled down enough. Teresa, you got to come taste.
Good.
I have forgotten how good it is. This is so good. I mean, this is truly breakfast on a plate.
With your favorite potato.
Yes. All right, get your fork. There you go. You're not gonna believe. Like I said, if it had some hollandaise sauce on it, it would be over the moon.
You could do all kinds of things too. You could put vegetables. I mean, if you if you did a little bit bigger.
Potato.
It says a medium potato. I just don't know what size medium means.
That's a lot of potatoes still left in there. Yeah, I guess you could have dug it out a little more.
Yeah, I could have, but baking them in the microwave, it doesn't, you don't get the real tough skin like you do in the oven. So you have to be very gentle.
That is like a loaded potato.
Uh-huh. It sure is.
Very good.
I'm cleaning up your
I can tell.
leftovers.
So good.
Come on, take another bite. I don't think we're even into the yolk yet.
I'm good.
I'm good too. Yum, yum. Happy New Year. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.